Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Celine. It's your birthday today.
You can't blow my candles.
How old is Lainey today?
5 and 2.
5 and 2?
Yeah.
5 minus 2.
Say 3. Loud.
3.
Say it loud. 3.
Way! Big girl Lainey.
Lily. Airplane. It's raining.
Maning ate. Gubutos ang buto.
I love Mommy too and Daddy and Auntie.
What'd you say?
I love Mommy too and Auntie and Daddy.
You love mommy and daddy?
Yeah, and Auntie.
Aww.
And Lily.
Can do it.
Oh, we love you very much as well. Hmm? We love you
Tickle.
too much. Tickle. Hello, my Louie boy. Good morning.
Okay, now, Mama, it's going.
Good morning, guys. It's the 14th of August and it's baby Celine's birthday. Kakabangon lang namin, guys. My God, may muta pa ba? It's very good kasi today is public holiday dito sa Brisbane, guys. It's Wednesday. So it means walang pasok sa Ate Paris. So study Mike. So ayan yun. Ayan o. Macho gumagawa ng pancake. But we're very happy kasi walang work. So we're all together. We can celebrate Celine's birthday. But outside looks... What does it look like outside, eh? What does it look like outside?
It's beautiful. Beautiful Brisbane weather.
Ayaw tanggapin ni Daddy Mike. It is raining. It's been raining since we got back from Melbourne, guys. And wala kaming magawa, like outdoors. At hindi kami nagplano ng gagawin for Celine's birthday kasi nga, di ba, we just got home from our Melbourne holiday. So 3 years ago, this time, I was already in pain, guys, because I was in labor with Lainey. Actually, this time, nasa hospital na kami. My God, how time flies.
What is Daddy doing?
Daddy's talking to friend. How old are you, Palingling? Like this? What did Ati teach you? Wow! How old are you? What's that?
Okay.
No, what's this?
It's just...
How old are you?
Oh!
3. Celine is 3 years old today.
Ow! Wow. I'm so excited. She's gonna get a lot of presents today.
Really?
I know what she wants. A 2 presents today, and me. She's writing out one thing that she knows what she's gonna get. I get one for you. I might get. I get one for you. Thank you. Oh, what's this? That's
Sorry,
mine.
baby.
That's not yours. Active. Are you excited for your birthday? It's chilly. Okay, you do
What does Lily want for your birthday?
Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Little gummy bear.
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear. Daddy Jimmy, gummy bear. A B C D E F G. Gummy bears are chasing me.
Can you do ABC, Lily? Can you sing ABC?
A B C D E G G H I jelly. A B C D H G G H I J J L I wanna be. V to X Y U B. L with X Y U B. No one number. A B C D. No I know. Fly away.
By the way.
Again. Welcome to the Philippines.
Here's the birthday girl. Tingnan niyo naman. Uy, nakadress pa yung birthday girl natin.
Brilliant.
3.
4.
No, you're 3. 3.
We.
Alis kami guys. So we decided na pupunta kami ng Carndale Westfield Shopping Center para maglaro. So we're going to mini bounce para makapaglaro yung mga girls natin guys. Because since it's public holiday today, walang masyadong maraming open. So yes, doon kami pupunta and then while we're there, we're just gonna grab Lainey presents and we'll eat something when we're there. Look, show me your outfit on me. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Mommy.
Woo! The girl! Medyo ma-tight na sa kanya yung dress niya, guys. Outfit ni Mami niyo for today's video. Na-ukay ko to, guys. Pero Zara, magaling siya sa ukay-ukay. Ganyan lang ang ating for today's video. Alright, let's go, guys. Before it rains again. Basang-basa sa ulan, guys. Tingnan nyo. It's been raining all day. Actually, meron pa siyang diesel. Ngayon, napakakit naman ng baby na yan. Oy! Hello, 3 years old baby! Palangga sa mama!
I'm not 3 old.
What are you?
And that's
Me. It's 3. B, turn around, B! Show me! Turn around! Whoa! Good job! Beautiful girl! Is Lene gonna play? Is Lene gonna play?
going up, going up, going up.
Okay, jump! Whoopsie daisy!
Go again. Yay!
Okay, that way. You know where these cars? Okay, show us the way. Show mommy and daddy the way.
Mom, I found it.
What's that? Wow! Look! Celine, happy birthday! Alam niyo ba guys, close na sila hanggang 3. Full na sila. Tapos sinabihan ni Daddy Mike, birthday nito. Pinapasok na ako.
Oh, God! You're hungry.
Lily! Woo! We told Paris to not leave Celine. Kaya ayan o, magsasama sila kahit saan na. Oh!
You can play?
Where's Ati?
That's what Mama give her.
We left your water bottle in the car at Baba Gil. We'll grab something to drink and eat from after here. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah?
Having fun? Show me.
How did you do it?
Because I'm playing because she smacked me in the face.
Why?
Why did you smack you in the face?
Because he didn't like it.
Oh my god.
Did you say?
cry?
Did you say don't smack me?
Yeah, I didn't.
Did you smack her back? Smack her back.
I didn't.
You should have. If she smacks you, you go over to her. Dish.
No.
Smack her.
Mommy, why?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah?
Got it in the eye.
Oh yeah. No, she's not talking about you. She's talking about other girl. Alright, Palingling.
Well, you find what you like.
I don't want dinosaurs.
You don't want dinosaurs? Fair enough.
I don't want that. I don't want that. What?
that? It's it's voice changer. It's voice changer.
I want to get it.
Do you want to get this?
Yeah.
I don't even know how this works. Hang on.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, there. Oh, you have to hold it? Oh, okay.
Hello. Hello.
You have to push now.
Oh, yes.
You like that?
I want it.
Okay. Mama hold for you, okay? This is good, guys. And she can choose whatever she wants. But alam namin gusto niya. Murag correct. I don't want that. I don't like that. Alam na niyang mamili.
We have that.
Yeah, you had that in Melbourne. I went to the bin.
When I was a baby with that. I was a baby.
When you're a baby, what are you now?
Lane.
Lynn, look at this! Oh my god, you're gonna love that.
What?
You're gonna love that, Lynn. Oh my god, that's
Now we
beautiful.
have that.
No, you didn't have that one.
You want it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, give it to Daddy, because I'm holding this already.
Where's this one, mommy?
I don't know who that is. Do you know now?
Mom,
What princess is that?
my heart's full bottle.
Yes.
When it blows to the sky. I never who it is, but I forgot who it is.
Okay.
I don't like that. I will have that. Huh? No, Richie. I will have that.
Ang mukha.
No. Sorry. Yeah. This one. This one too. Done game. Somebody go. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
Ice cream. I want ice cream too. Then look at that. Look at that. That. And look at that. Oh my gosh. Mom, look at this Oreo.
Cereal, so beautiful.
I want to buy that. Mom, I don't want to buy that.
Yeah?
Mom, I don't want to buy that. And I don't want to buy that. I don't want to buy that. I don't want to buy that. I don't want to buy. No, I wish.
You don't like them?
Mommy, look what Auntie found.
I want that.
Oh, great, Baba. One and only.
Huh?
Good job, Auntie. Alright, let's go pay for this.
Okay, let's go, Ling Ling, now.
I don't want that.
We're going now. These are your presents.
So many.
I got them.
And the dress.
Come on.
And I got the pasta.
That's right, let's go pay. So it's now 5:40 ng hapon, guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Canon Hill. Did you open it, Ona? Nag-stop kami sa Coast kasi actually, dapat sana magdi-dinner kami doon sa Karina Leagues Club para itong dalawa ay makapaglaro pa kasi meron silang laruan doon. But, by the time that I pack, tulog si Baby Celine. So, sabi namin, we'll change plan kasi ayaw kong gisingin si Baby Celine kaagad kasi kakatulog lang niya. So, ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng Coles. Daddy just went in to get cake for Celine para pagdating namin sa bahay mamaya ay mag happy birthday, singing kami ganun. But after this one here, we'll go to an Asian restaurant first for dinner. We'll go home and then we'll do the cake. So yun yung ating plano. Nakbi, which one would you like to try? Bumili kami ng lip balm from
It's the first one.
Target? Yeah, Target. And dalawa yung binili namin, so try namin. You tried it or not? This one is with jojoba oil.
Can you put on my skin? Can you put on my skin?
And that one is like,
Can you put
what's
it?
that one lang? Aloe vera.
Um,
We'll see kung ano ba to siya.
with
Very,
a line there.
moisturizer.
Mama, can you put some on me? Can you put some on my hand too? Oh, it smells good. It smells like mugu mugu.
It does, doesn't it? It does. Maybe.
It smells like mint Oreo.
You're so good at it, Paris.
I know.
Oh, this one is like,
sense.
oh, this is like soothing, like on your lips. Try it and let me know what you think. No, on your lips. Try it on your lips and tell me what you think.
Can
Like
I do
how
the
it
other one
feels.
first?
No, this one first. Tell me what you think about it. Like how it feels.
Let's rate them both.
Mm-hmm. It's like ice or something, yeah,
It's like,
on your lips.
yeah. Okay, Mama, can I try that one?
They're good. They're not too bad. They're only like nakasela sila ng $1.75 at yung isa $2.
Okay,
But
it's time to rate.
okay, you're right.
I think I'll rate that one probably a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
And I'll probably rate this one a 10 out of 10.
Oh, that's not bad, honey.
Because
This is not bad because the one that we're buying from Kmart and Woolies, that's Nivea.
Nivea.
It's $5, guys. And this one is cheap, so maybe
3.
bumili akong dalawa kasi para everywhere meron ba kasi nakakalimutan ko. But that's good for the lips, oh.
So I'll explain why I like this one more and that one I like a little less.
Okay, you explain.
So because this one, which one do we do first? Do you want to do the one that I did a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 first?
The 10.
10. So first, I chose the this one for 10 out of 10 because it smells so good, and I actually like mint Oreos more than is it cream?
Yeah, vanilla.
Vanilla cream Oreos, and I usually like the smell more, and this one smells exactly like it. And this one's a little more moisturizing.
Really?
Yeah. It's a little bit like thick, like it's like dripping. It's not dripping, but it's like going everywhere. But I still really love it.
Yeah.
It's very. I can see the guy.
Nice, yeah.
There, I can just.
Oh, I love this cake. Chocolate cake.
I'm gonna have one.
Look. This is a good size. Yeah, I love it. Kasi, may light pala tayo nakalimutan kung mag-ionoy. Kasi, kami lang naman 4, guys. So, buti na lang may ganitong size.
I like this one.
Is this the smallest there, Daddy?
I was going to get Krispy Kreme donuts instead.
It has to be like cake, you know? Cake is
You
cake.
could have put candle in the donut. It would be like, they had like Krispy Kreme like donut, like assorted. That other one said, well, this is like the smallest one. There was a sponge cake as well.
Yeah, okay.
Sponge with cream and jam.
I love that. I love sponge cake.
And guys, I'll tell you why I did 9 out.
The reason I didn't get it is because the girls go,
Because like
jam.
this one's not really moisturizing, and I say I like the
It's just
smell.
doing some...
Auntie, can I have a kiss?
And I also like the smell. But I kind of like the smell more.
Diyan kami kakain. Billy's Pine and Bamboo Restaurant. Hala, she's still sleeping, Daddy.
Oh yeah, that's a joke.
Still sleeping.
Can you open it?
We turn the light off. I'm gonna sing happy birthday for our birthday girl.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep.
Hooray!
Make a wish. Did you make a wish?
Let me come up.
Close your eyes and make a wish.
You don't need to blow it, Ati.
What do you wish?
Let her blow it, please.
There's a little one.
You can have a big blow, Lenny. Blow the candles. Get closer. Another one. Sati, let Lenny do it, please. Lenny.
Now we have a big present, but we're gonna open that later.
Yay!
So it's gonna taste so good.
Yummy, yummy.
Do it and then put it top. Mommy, can you please? Pancake box and sound it and give it to me. Give it to me. Mama.
No, you dirty prick.
Crackle. You crackle.
Ati, come here.
Crackle.
Yummy.
Because it has the same tiara. It's just a different form. But really nice.
Oh, this is really good.
No. Oh, it's all wrong.
Next Saturday, we're having a birthday party for Celine with the whole family, and the message na namin. And we're gonna be at the park. So mag-prepare kami ng mga pagkain namin and all that. And we'll celebrate. Not this Saturday, but Saturday after.
So, say yes, Papa. Show me. Well, look, show Mom.
It's okay, Bobby. Kami natin Paris magkapaliha, guys. We like itong kanyang body ng cake. Si Celine gusto niya yung icing. I don't like the icing, it's too sweet. Lane, why are you fighting?
No, I was acting.
I thought.
Papa? Get out of there. Get out, you dirty boy. Which Papa?
Oh, here.
So they just went in there for nothing? Daddy, I'm not opening my bubble.
Yeah, you need battery on this one, huh?
Mama, we don't have battery.
3 AA.
Mama, we don't have battery.
You will see if
We can open this one. This one doesn't even need one battery.
yeah, maybe that one first, na? Because that one doesn't need battery. We're gonna clean it though. Hi, clean the table first one before you open up. Naulaw siya, Mak. Look.
Pruto. Na? Masaka ni Lito.
What does it say?
I love you too much, Mommy.
I love you too much though. It says, Happy 3rd birthday, Celine. What? Come on.
Hey, I'm Daddy. Oh, I'm Mom.
No, Mom.
Eh, Mama. Naman to saan?
Di Webs, ano to ang face daan, Bi? Kibulingit mo kaayo. Hmm?
Na?
Bi? Siya, Bi, ang face kasi bulingit. Alak ka. Unsa naman ka na?
Show me, Mom.
Ano lang?
Okay.
Mom.
It's okay. Wow, very special girl man na. Uy, ka man na cake. Uy.
Wala lang.
Mom, give it down.
Hanggang gusto ka na sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby!
Ito, alito. Patong isa.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Lily. Happy birthday.
Sure, look, what's that?
Happy birthday. Look at sila, look at Livia, look at
Blow, candle.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday, Lily. Faster, faster. Faster, blow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lily.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Blow. Blow, Lily.
Blow.
Lily.
Blow.
Wish.
Blow.
Blow. Blow through the
Make a wish.
camera.
Close your eyes, make a wish. Blow. Like this. Make a wish. Come on.
Yes, mababadit siya. Blow na.
Come on, blow candle. Blow the candle.
Blow.
1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow. Blow na.
Come on, blow.